Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. This is Basics of Mathematics Session 4. In this session, we are going to look at sum of first and natural numbers, its formula, then sum of squares of first and natural numbers and its formula, and sum of cubes of first and natural numbers and its formula. Then we are going to understand the basics of averages as well. Okay, let us start with it. First, what is the sum of first and natural numbers? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. It is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So if I have to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15, how will I do it? 15. This is the value of n for me now. So 15 into 15 plus 1, it will be 16 divided by 2. So this is 2 ones are, this is 2 eights are, 15 into 8, 120. This is the sum of first 15 natural numbers. Then what we have? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, up to n square. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay. So if I have to calculate 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to let us say 11 square. How will I do it? 11. This is the value of n for me now. N is 11. Now 11 multiplied by 12. Why? Because n into n plus 1, that is 12, multiplied by 2n plus 1, that is 2 into 11, 22, plus 1, 23, divided by 6. So this is 6 ones are, this is 6 twos are. So we have 22 into 23. 22 into 23 will be 484, 506. Okay. And then the last formula is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Up to n cube. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Okay, so it is similar to this formula. It is similar to this formula where we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. But here we have to take a square value. Okay, so let us say if I have to calculate 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 8 cube, then the value of n in this scenario is 8. So my formula becomes 8 into 9 divided by 2 and its whole square. So this is 2 ones are, this is 2 fours are, 4 nines are 36 and its square, which is 1296. This will be the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 8 cube. Okay, I hope you must have understood this. Now, you need to try these questions on your own. You need to pause the video and make sure that you post your answers in the chat section related to this. I will be solving these questions here, but if you want to gain something from this video, then it is necessary that you pause the video and you try to solve these questions on your own. Only then it will be helpful for you. Okay, so pause the video and try to solve it. I am continuing directly from here. So what we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 42. So the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The value of n in this case is 42. So it is going to be 42 into 43 divided by 2. So this is 2 ones are, this is 220 ones are. So my answer is going to be 43 into 21. 43 into 21. So this is 63, 6 carry. This is 84 plus 6, 90. 906 is going to be the answer. Now let us try to solve this one. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 16 square. The formula says n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So in this case, my n is 16. Extremely sorry. In this case, my n is 16. So 16 Then 16 plus 1 will become 17. And then 16 into 2, 20, 32 plus 1 will become 33 divided by 6. If I divide by If I divide by 3, I get 2. If I divide by 3, I get 11 over here. This is 2 ones are, this is 2 eights are. 8 into 17 is how much? 8 into 17 is 153, 136. So we have 136 into 11. 1360 plus 136 will be 1496 will be the final answer. Okay. Very easy questions, similar, directly formula based questions. Now, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 12 cube. Formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and its whole square. So, what do we do here? The value of n here, it's 12. So, it is going to be 12 into 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 2 and its whole square. So 2 ones are, this is 2 6 are. So that is 6 into 13, 78 square. How do we calculate 78 square? 78 into 78. 8 8s are 64, 6 carry. 8 7s are 56 plus 6, 62, 0. 8 7s are 56, 5 carry. This is 49 plus 5, 54. So this is 4, this is 8, this is 0, this is 1. 6084 is going to be the answer for 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to 12 cube. I suppose that most of you must have solved first three questions and all of you must have unpaused the video and come to this section where you want to try to solve these three questions. How to do that? Okay, let us try to solve it. So 11 plus, no, 12 plus 13 plus 14 up to 24. How will I do it? I will do it like this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 24 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 11. What will happen in this case? The thing is, I know the formula for this 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 24. It is n into n plus 1 by 2. I know the formula for this. Same formula n into n plus 1 by 2. But when I do this minus this, all the values up to 11 get cancelled and I get this answer 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 24. If you observe, everything up to 11 will get cancelled, no? And we will get 12 plus 13 plus 14 up to 24. So the formula here will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is 24 into 25 divided by 2. So 2 ones are, this is 2 12s are. 12 into 25 is 300. Okay. Minus, here it will be 11 into 12 and n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula that I am applying. Okay. 11 into 12 divided by 2. So 2 ones are, this is 2 6 are. So minus 66. So my final answer is going to be 234. It is that easy. You just need to eliminate those numbers properly. Okay. Now I hope that you must have understood this. Again, pause the video and try to solve this fifth and sixth question. So 8 square plus 9 square plus 10 square up to 20 square. How will I do it? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 20 square. Minus 1 square plus 2 square up to 7 square. Okay, what I have done, I have eliminated 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 7 square. I have eliminated that. What will I get? 8 square plus 9 square plus 10 square up to 20 square. This is what I will get. So, formula is n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Directly applying it. So, 20 into 20 plus 1, 21 into 20 into 2. 20 into 2 is 40 plus 1, 41 divided by 6. So this is 2s are This is 3 sevens are, this is 2 ones are, this is 2 tens are. Now 41 into 7 is 287 into 10. That is 2870. Here the same formula. Same formula. The value of n in this case is 7. So 7 into 8 into 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1, 15 divided by 6. This is 3 twos are, this is 3 fives are, this is 2 ones are, this is 2 fours are. 7 into 4, 7 into 4 is 28 into 5 is 140. So minus 140. So my final answer is going to be 0. This is 3. This is 7. 2730. 2730 is going to be my final answer. It is that easy. Okay. Now erasing the screen. What we have 11 cube plus 12 cube up to 25 cube. What I'll do 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 25 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 10 cube. This is what I'll do. Up to 10, everything will get eliminated and I'll get this value as the answer. But I'll have to take this longer route. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and its whole square. In this case, the n is 25. So 25 into 26 divided by 2 and its whole square. So this is 13. This is 13. And here, n is 10 for us. So 10 into 11 divided by 2 and its whole square. So this is 55. 55 square is 3025. It is very easy to calculate. Now 25 into 13. Okay, let us 25 into 13 square is 625 into 169. Difficult to calculate. 25 into 13. 25 into 13 is 325. 325 square is 5 square 25. 32 is multiplied by 33. 32 multiplied by 33 is 1056. 1056. So what we have 105625 minus 3025. The answer is 0, 0. This is 6. This is 2. And then 102600 is going to be the final answer. Okay, I hope you have understood the formulas for sum of first and natural numbers, sum of squares of first and natural numbers, and then cubes of first and natural numbers. Now moving forward to the next concept, that is the average and its basics. Average and its basics are very easy to understand. What we understand, the first, there are only two things that we are going to understand today. First is average is nothing but sum of quantities upon number of quantities. Let us say I take 11, 24, 32, 13, and 20. Okay, how will I find out the average of these values? It will be 11 plus 24 plus 32 plus 13 plus 20 divided by 5. Why divided by 5? Because the number of quantities are 5. Okay, because the number of quantities are 5. Simply add it. This is going to be 35. 35 plus 45 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100. 100 divided by 5. Overall average is going to be 20. Okay, this is how you find out the average. Now, B part is that if all the terms of average, if all the terms of average are increased or decreased by a certain value x, then overall average also increases slash decreases by same value x. Okay. So what I'm saying, if I calculate if I increase each value by 4, है ना, in the previous example, if I increase the each value by 4, the overall total will increase by 20. The overall total will increase by 20. Yes or no? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Now, this overall total increase by 20 when divided by 5 increases the average by 4. है ना? This 20 when divided by 5 increases the average by 4. This is what we are trying to say. That if each and every term is increased or decreased by a certain value, the overall average also increases or decreases by the same value. If I do -3 for each term, the overall average will also reduce by 3. Okay. So 20 minus 3, 17 will be the average in that case. I hope you have understood both the points. Now, very small 6 questions we have to solve. Find the average of the following set of numbers: 65, 85, 70, 90. So simple. Addition of all these. 65 plus 85 is 150 plus 70. It's 150 plus 70 is 220 plus 90, 310. 310 plus 105 is 415. And we have to divide by 5. Why? Because there are 5 numbers. So if I divide by 5, what will I get? This is 83. The overall average comes out to be 83. Okay. The sum of 10 numbers is 550. The average of the numbers is simple. Average is sum of quantities upon number of quantities. Sum of quantities is already given to you as 550. Number of quantities is 10, already given to you. 10, sum of 10 numbers is 550. No? So overall average is 55. Overall average is 55. Next, what is the average of natural number from 1 to 67? Okay, so we have to do this 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is our third question. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 67. This will be sum of the quantities upon number of quantities 67. Upon number of quantities 67. This is how you will calculate the average. No, first you will add all the quantities, then you divide it by number of quantities. So what do we get here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 67. It's 67 into 68 divided by 2. This is sum of the quantities. Upon number of quantities is 67. है ना? Sum of the quantities we have done it from here only. है ना? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. It's n into n plus 1 by 2. So here it is up to 67. So 67 into 68 divided by 2. Okay. So 67 gets cancelled. 68 divided by 2. 34 is your answer. 34 is your answer. Very easy. Okay. This is how you can do it. Okay. This is a very easy question. You can solve it like this. Okay. So first 3 questions we are done with. Let us try to solve the next 3 questions. Okay. So what we have here, the average of 7 consecutive numbers is 20. So x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 6. These are your 7 consecutive numbers. Try to understand this. Your consecutive numbers are one after the other. So their average is 20. It is already provided to you. So how do you find out the average? You add all the numbers. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x. So that is 7x. Plus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Plus 6, 21. When divided by 7, it gives me the average as 20. So this is 7x plus 21 is equal to 7 into this. 7 into 20, that is 140. That gives me 7x. 21 goes here. We are left with 119. That gives me x is equal to 119 divided by 7. That is 17. So the numbers are 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now, what is the largest of these numbers? 23. Largest of these numbers is 23. Okay, next, it is a very easy question. Average of 10 numbers is 23. If each number, each and every, all the numbers are increased by 4. If each number is increased by 4, the new average will be 27. This is what we have understood here. Na? If all the terms of average are increased or decreased by x, then overall average increases or decreases by x. So that is what they are saying. Each number is increased by 4. So overall average will also increase by 4. So 23 plus 4, 27 will be the new average. Okay. Next, what is the average of first 6 multiples of 4? Average of first 6 multiples of 4. Very easy. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. These are the first 6 multiples of 4. We have to find the average. So addition of 6 quantities upon number of quantities, that is 6. So 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 16, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 24, 60 plus 24 is 84. When divided by 6, we get the average as 14. We get the average as 14. Okay. I hope you have understood both the concepts, sum of quantities, sum of first and natural numbers, and then the averages. And you must have paused the video at right time to solve these questions on your own. Only then this video series of basics of mathematics will be fruitful for you. If you have any query, post it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.